Adding other blockchain networks in Metamask is quite challenging, especially when you are still new in the crypto world. But don't worry. We will show you the best and easiest way to add other blockchain networks on Metamask. This tutorial will show you the manual and the easy one using a third-party website. If you haven't installed Metamask yet, we will provide a link to the description of how to install it. But before that, we will have a raffle giveaway on our website. We will be giving a 1000 digibyte raffle giveaway. And there will be 5 winners, which means each lucky winner will receive 200 digibyte. Please note that this giveaway is not sponsored by anyone. Here's how to join. First, visit our website and read the mechanics. We provided the link in the description. On our website, fill up the fields. On the text box's name, input your Faucet Pay username. We will send the prize to your Faucet Pay account if you win it. If you don't have a Faucet Pay account, you can visit their website or use our referral link in the description. You can find your Faucet Pay username on your dashboard. Next, input your email, then click enter. And then, you will receive a confirmation email. Only confirmed emails will be counted on the giveaway. After registering, you may collect raffle entries. Make sure to finish this video for more info about the raffle entries. We will announce the winners in our next video. Make sure to subscribe so you will be updated on our future videos and giveaways. Now, let's go back to our topic. To add another blockchain network on Metamask, there are 2 options. The first is to add it manually, and the second is by using a third-party website. Let's try to add another network manually. Click on the drop-down menu on your dashboard's upper right side. Then click Add Network. Metamask lists some of the most popular networks, allowing you to add them quickly. We will show you how to add another network later in case it is not yet listed on Metamask. Let's try to add Binance Smart Chain. You only need to click Add and then Approve. Now, let's try other networks not yet listed on Metamask. On the Add Network page, click Add a network manually. Make sure to input the correct network info. In this example, we are going to add EOS. After inputting the correct information, you have now successfully added other network. Now, let's try the easy one by using a third-party website. The website that we are going to use is chainlist.org. Here, you can find a lot of different networks. First, you need to connect your Metamask wallet. Then select the network you want to add and then click Approve. And now you've added a new network to your Metamask wallet. As easy as that. We hope you liked our video on how to add other blockchain networks on Metamask. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will be updated on our future videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.